something in Ames. This is the bird problem. Pigeon droppings all over the top of the lights. They go all the way around. The parapet roof has all kinds of droppings on it. There are droppings all over the floor, on the top, down the bottom, especially in the water drainage, which droppings can stop the water drainage. We're getting in it. You see the buildup of the droppings around the drains, so that can impede water from getting down below. Get over here and you see piles of pigeon droppings from, looks like maybe years of them doing this. There's the birds. Yeah, the acidity won't be good at all for this stuff. It'll eat away at the paint. It'll eat away at the glass. And just the dropping is horrible. So the lighting's not reaching its full potential to get up through. And we can clean off all of this, take all the glass out, clean it out really well, so everything's almost like it's brand new. Again, this is not just limited to one area of the roof. This is scattered throughout the roof. Business partner in front of me, Dan Harris. So you just see the pile of the droppings where they've been roosting. This is just a bigger pile right here on this edge. That's not dirt or dust, that's all bird crap, literally. This right here, especially coming right up that. And down in front of the building, there have been a couple fake hawks put up, and those aren't doing any good because these birds are roosting very heavily here and can possibly even try to nest in some of these nooks and crannies around the building. While doing the inspection the other day, the guy that was up here with me, Doug, said that inside the return air vents going into the building, there's pigeon droppings on there, there's pigeon feathers, there's other kind of dust that's coming in from the pigeon that's going to be able to make it through the filters and get down into the building. That becomes a safety concern for your guests and for your workers. Definitely something in Midwest Bird Control we can definitely help you with. We are experts in dealing with these kind of situations. We can definitely get most of the birds caught and then do a preventable to keep birds from being able to gain access up here anymore and to make this area undesirable. Give us a call as soon as possible after we've sent you the quote, and we'd be glad to work with you in resolving your bird control problem. Thank you.